Okay, so today I'm going to present about analysis of the impacts of motor vehicle exhaust emissions at Pancasila University on health in order to create a green campus. So the introduction is, the first is Indonesia is a very potential market for selling motor vehicles of any types and brands. This can be seen clearly from the significant increase of the number of motor vehicles. The number two is one of the environmental impacts is water pollution due to the exhaust emissions produced by motor vehicle machines. On 4 August 2019, Jakarta ranked second as the most air polluted city in the world, according to the data of Air Visual. The air quality index of Jakarta is 160, meaning that Jakarta's water quality is not healthy. The location, the object of research is a motorcycle, and the location is in the motorcycle parking lot of the Faculty of Engineering, Pancasila University, Jakarta. And the purpose about this research is, what is the relationship between consumption of carbon monoxide produced from the motorcycle exhaust gas and its health impact? And the second is, what are the effects of carbon monoxide produced by motorcycle? How prevention efforts should be done by the community? And the method that used for the research is, the first is research object. The research was conducted in the campus area of Pancasila University on the carbon dioxide substance as a vehicle exhaust gas entering the area of Pancasila University, and the study focused on its health impact. And the pilot study was conducted as the basis of obtaining a clear picture on the problems examined and theories applied in this research. And the third is the number of samples. We use the number of academic community members at Pancasila University is 3,000. I'm sorry, 13,921 people. And the method that used in this research is questionnaire validation test, simple linear regression, hazard identification risk assessment, and risk control or hierarchy. And the result of likelihood is identification of the academic community members' activities at Pancasila University, and the health impacts of air pollution on health. So the identification in this study observed that activities of academic community members include lecturers, employees, and students, and the health impact of the CO as a motor vehicle exhaust gas at the campus area of Pancasila University. So this is the likelihood score. So there are the number of other employee illness complaints, and the number of complaints from employee in the room, the number of complaints from lecturer disease, and the number of student illness complaint. And the result of severity, so severity risk is used to make a level of danger or graveness incurred from an activity. So severity risk in this research is, the level 1 is insignificant. The disease complaint is cough. And description of the moderate is in level 3. Disease complaint is shortness of breath. And description insignificant in level 1. Disease complaint is dizziness. And description in minor is in the level 2. Disease complaint is nausea. So this is the result of hierarchy due to carbon dioxide as a motor vehicle exhaust gas. So the activity number 1 is student activity. The risk is cough, shortness of breath, dizziness, nausea, and cough. And the hazard prevention in number 1, 2, and 3 is using personal protective equipment such as a protection mask. And the number 4, staff activity outside the building. The hazard prevention is using personal protective equipment such as a protection mask and issuing a decision letter to reduce air pollution on campus. And this is the risk mapping or risk matrix, and done based on the value obtained in the risk priority number, resulting from likelihood multiplied by the existing severity. The risk level is represented in colors to discover how big the hazard potential that can be caused is. And the conclusion of this research is, the influence of carbon dioxide as a motor vehicle exhaust gas showed that there is a correlation between carbon dioxide as a motor vehicle exhaust gas and its health impact on academic community members of Pancasila University. And the number two is carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide as a motor vehicle exhaust gas has an impact on the academic community members of Pancasila University who inhale it so that it causes cough, dizziness, nausea, and shortness of breath. So thank you for the listening, and that is all for my presentation today.